Hey guys, happy Tuesday. I hope everyone's doing their best to stay home, stay sane, and shelter in place. With that being said, guys, I wanted to reach out to everybody and let you know there's tons of resources that have been provided to property owners and small business owners. And as well as I just wanted to give a quick message to renters. So let's jump into this. Renters, please be proactive in reaching out to your landlords if you've been affected by this crisis. Because at the end of the day, your landlord's still expecting payment from you whenever your rent's due. And if you have been affected by this crisis, they're going to need the documentation to provide to their lenders to let them know of what's going on in the situation. So please don't ignore their phone calls or just blatantly disregard everything, because you heard on the internet that they are, suspending payments. But that is case by case. It's circumstantial. So unless you're being proactive in providing all that documentation to your landlords, well, if not, you're probably going to get an eviction notice when this is all said and done and it's time for life to continue on. So please be proactive and reach out to your landlords and let them know what's going on in your situation. Let's jump right into this. First, the American Land Title Association has set up some information on their website to help with businesses on a disaster recovery and build a business continuity plan that involves about 4 steps. And the information will be down below. Secondly, bank regulators, banks, servicers, and mortgage insurers are all being proactive in extending help and potentially extending policies to property owners. But you need to be proactive in calling them. You can't just say, okay, they extended this. No, you still need to submit the proper documentation or whatever paperwork they need you to fill out. So please, go on their websites. Some of the information is down below. Check it out. If it affects you, go on there, call these people. They will help you out. Third, guys, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau wants you to protect yourself financially and to protect your credit. On their website, link down below, they're giving you information on how to keep yourself stable. Fourth, guys, the Department of Labor is providing resources for employees and employers on how this crisis impacts hours, wages, and protective leave. But most of the information on there is for businesses or employers, so like your boss and stuff. But there is some information on workers if you are still going to work, how it impacts your wages and protective leave. Fifth resource provided to you guys is from the EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency. On their website, they have more information on drinking tap water and wastewater to clear things up for the public. Currently, they say you can still drink tap water, it's still safe. So go on there, check it out, and kind of see what they have going on. The sixth one, guys, is from the Federal Housing Administration, FHA. They've halted immediate foreclosures and evictions for homeowners with FHA insured mortgages. That is FHA insured mortgages for the next 60 days, and that started on March 1st. Now it's April 7th, so time's ticking, guys. Make sure you're reaching out and being proactive. The seventh resource provided, guys, is from the Federal Housing Finance Agency. They've instructed Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and their service providers to be proactive reaching out to homeowners on assistance and as well as forbearance. What is forbearance? Forbearance is the temporary postponement of mortgage payments. With that being said, like I said previously, they're going to need documentation of that. So be proactive, reach out to them, or just kind of see, can it help you, can it not? The eighth resource provided to you guys is coming from the IRS, the Internal Revenue Services. And they have provided a Corona Relief tax section on their website, as well as they've extended income tax and payments deadlines to July 15th. The ninth resource provided to you guys is coming from the Small Business Administration, the SBA, which is pretty much for small business owners. And they're providing resources and information on what to kind of do and how to conduct business, and as well as they're offering a number of different loan resources for you to utilize when your business is operating during this crisis. The 10th resource provided for you guys is coming for my student debt people. The Department of Education says it will allow for bans on federally backed student loans, and that begun on March 13th. And as well as they've waived all interest currently on student loans. That's all I got today for you guys. I hope this information was useful. Maybe you know a friend in that situation, a colleague, a coworker, whatever. Let them know about this information. It's all out there so people can get help. So please be proactive. Please reach out. And other than that, please stay home and please stay safe. Blessings.